keyo. Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Jatend migepe pacho ka Mudavadi ogolo chik ne bende migepe mopogore mag piny owacho mondo chuo kamati moyiedhi mag kedo kod weche mag mibadhi e bede migepe go. Kane loso Mombasa romo mokelo kanyakla bede migepe duto mag piny owacho, Mudavadi koni weche mag mibadhi ogore pacho ka. Gino mono moko kuom pinje kaachiel kod joket mwandu machano tiyo kanyakla gi piny owacho kodgi kanyakla nikech mibadhi. Koni adek mag gope pacho ka tiere bad migepe omiyo nego kaw okang' mowinjore mar neno ni itieko gope go. Leni bede migepe bende nyaka ti kanyakla mondo mi piny Kenya ota chenro mage e yo makare.
As we can see progress, we can also see room for further improvement. We want them to read again and again the laws and regulations that gives them power and authority to oversight respective sectors. We want to encourage them to wait less on instruction and implement more on what the law is telling them, so that we have equity, we have fairness, we have accountability, and we have activity when it comes to service delivery.
And the way the PSS did it, PSS are the ones to chair those corruption prevention committees in their ministries. We would expect the CEOs of all the regulatory authorities to also chair that particular committee so that we can deal with this corruption issue. The headlines we have been seeing are not good for us. They are not good for the country. It becomes awkward when some of our key development partners are citing this as an issue that is obstructing very strategic agreements that we want to enter into.